Hey everyone! Welcome to our channel. Our video today is a tutorial on how to build a website in just 30 seconds using the power of AI. Today we'll be using Durable.co, a cutting-edge platform that makes website creation a breeze. So if you've been struggling with building your website or just want to save time, this video is for you. To begin with, head over to Durable.co and create an account. It's a simple process, and once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by an intuitive dashboard. This is where the magic happens. Now let's start by clicking the Create a New Website button. Next, simply input some basic information about your business or project, and Durable.co's AI will generate a stunning website for you in a matter of seconds. It's that easy. But don't worry, you'll still have the option to customize your website further if you'd like. Once the AI has generated your website, you can explore the different customization options available. Change colors, fonts, and images to make your website truly unique. And the best part is, you don't need any coding or design skills to do this. Durable.co makes it super easy for anyone to create a professional-looking website. After you're satisfied with your website's design, it's time to hit the Publish button. Congratulations, your website is now live. You can share the link with your friends, family, and customers. And remember, you can always come back to Durable.co to make updates or changes to your website whenever you want. So there you have it. In just 30 seconds, you can create a stunning website using Durable.co's AI-powered platform. Say goodbye to complicated website builders and hello to a streamlined, user-friendly experience. Give it a try and let us know what you think in the comments below. I hope you found this video informative and inspiring. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might find it useful. And of course, remember to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a future upload.